In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove job alerts from LinkedIn. If you've been getting notifications for roles you're no longer interested in, or your search has changed and you want to tidy up your inbox, removing an old alert is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the exact path and point out what to expect along the way so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening LinkedIn and landing on your main feed. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your job settings. From the top navigation, click the Jobs tab. This takes you to LinkedIn's Job Hub, where you manage searches, alerts, and preferences tied to your career interests. Next, look for the Preferences area. This is where LinkedIn stores your saved searches and alerts. Open Preferences to view the list of job alerts associated with your account. You'll see alerts created from past searches, each one tied to the filters and locations you used at the time. Click the specific job alert you want to remove. Opening it lets you review its details, which is useful if you want to be sure you're deleting the right one. Then select the pencil icon to edit that alert. The pencil is LinkedIn's shortcut for changing or managing items like this. Inside the edit view, scroll down and choose Delete Job Alert. LinkedIn asks for a quick confirmation to prevent accidental removal, so go ahead and click Delete on the prompt. If any follow-up screens appear, simply continue to proceed. These additional prompts are normal and are just LinkedIn double-checking that you truly want to remove the alert. After you confirm, you should see a pop-up message indicating the alert was successfully deleted. That confirmation means you're done and you won't receive notifications from that alert going forward. If you have more than one alert to clean up, repeat these same steps for each one until your list matches your current job search needs. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the preferences label isn't immediately visible, look for a job alerts or saved searches section within the jobs area. It leads to the same place. Also, LinkedIn's layout can vary slightly between devices or after updates, but the flow remains the same. Jobs, preferences, open the alert, edit with the pencil, delete, and confirm, and that's it. Your job alert is removed, your notifications are cleaner, and your LinkedIn experience is a little more tailored to what you want. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more straightforward LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.